happens when Suzuki decides to completely redefine off-road performance. You get this, the 2026 RM-Z 1050, and it's turning heads everywhere. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews. Today, we're breaking down one of the most talked about releases in the dirt bike world this year. Design. Starting with design, Suzuki went bold. The front end is sharper and more aggressive, with improved aerodynamics for better airflow. The aluminum chassis is slimmer and noticeably lighter. Seat positioning has been refined for enhanced rider control, and the fresh colorways look absolutely incredible. Performance. Now, performance. The 1050cc engine delivers serious power throughout the rev range. Acceleration feels smooth, yet explosive when needed. The redesigned suspension handles rough terrain confidently, absorbing impacts while keeping everything stable. Cornering and jumps feel precise and controlled. Features and technology. Technology is where things get exciting. Multiple riding modes, adjustable traction control, and a quick shifter comes standard. The digital display offers real-time data, and app connectivity lets riders track every session. Conclusion: the 2026 RM-Z 1050 is a serious step forward for Suzuki. Powerful, refined, and packed with innovation. What do you think about this release? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, smash that like button and share it with fellow riders. And if you haven't already, subscribe to Next Gen Reviews so you never miss our latest content. Thanks for watching.